Are you tired of hunting for a price table widget in Elementor? Add a professional pricing table with highlighted features in under 2 minutes. You'll find the price table under the Pro tab. Then click Upgrade to unlock highlighted columns and action buttons. Let's go step by step.
Let's begin by going to Edit the homepage with Elementor. Once you're in, click on the highlighted area to select it. Now navigate to the Pro option in the menu. Then click on Pro again to continue. From there, select Price Table from the available templates. Click on Upgrade to build pricing matrices featuring highlighted columns, interactive checkmark lists, and integrated action buttons. Then hit Upgrade Now to proceed. Finally, click Upgrade Now once more, and that wraps it up. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.